Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Andy Jenkinson, the caravan industry expert. Well, this is an Autosleeper, as you can see, 1976 campervan on a Leyland Sherpa van in rather nice condition actually. I presume it's been installed.
Yes, so you bring this
I'm just going to move on here. This is a petrol engine, as they mostly were in those days. I think they did do a diesel. It looks rather good. This will feature, I think this one, well not this actual one, but this will feature my next one of my new books, the story of the campervan. Because Autosleepers were synonymous with the campervan by the late 1960s and 70s, and to the present day of course. Let's have a quick more look round. This is a cab, look at that. Very 70s.
Hello.
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 Hello. Just doing a quick video of your
That's fine.
Autosleeper.
What it's here for?
It's just a shame it's a bit chocolate at the back there.
I know.
It looks very original.
It is.
Where's it from originally?
It's originally from a gentleman in Kent.
Right.
Who had it from new.
I was going to say it's been kept.
He had it till sort of 2005, 2006.
Right.
Then it's done its round with lots of people, and now I've got it, and I love it. It's not a VW camper.
Right. Yeah.
No. It's understandable.
Yeah, it's just, I just love it because it's just so different. And it's
Well, it was Autosleeper as well. Were very good at their finish as well. They
were.
did an incredible
If you
wood
think this is
finish on
getting
them.
close to 50 years old,
Yeah, especially at that time, because by that time, of course, prices had gone up, and a lot of the manufacturers were using photo veneer.
exactly.
So they'd gone away from the wood because it was too expensive, but Autosleeper was still using it.
Absolutely.
I want to come have a quick look around that back end.
course you can.
Sorry about this.
Right, watch the signal comes a cup of tea.
I know, I'm already wandering around.
I did see the come up.
Sorry.
I did see it. Never mind.
So this is the only trouble, is that they tend to get used as a dumping ground. These guys will let me.
Oh, do you?
Nice bit of wood finish in there. That's what Autosleeper are known for. So this has had one owner from new originally. So obviously dry stored in the garage. Look at the I mean, put my bag down a minute. The woodwork here, everything was lovely, everything was well finished. I always think it was a shame that Autosleepers never actually went and did a caravan in that area. I know they did one later on in the 2000s, 2011, but they should have done it sooner because they would have made a real nice job of it. With that quality woodwork, which they used until the early 90s in their GRP motorhomes actually, which now look decisively dated, but back then, no, it's just a shame, as I say, it's full stop, I can't get in. I was hoping to, but I can't. I'd like to see if I can find any more camper vans. It makes a difference from the normal VW stuff that you get. That seems to be the stuff that people seem to hold on to. Use the old Sherpa, which was a pretty good unit for building coach builds or doing campervan conversions. One old dealership told me, who did a lot of these Autosleepers and Sherpas, said they found they were a decent base vehicle. But anyway, I think I've got a brochure on that one, so as I say, if I can, I'll use it onto the video. This is the only problem, is that what you get is that there's a lot of people around. I'm hoping to get to see some private classic caravans again at some stage as well, where, you know, I've got more attention from the owner. But I just don't really like these little video snippets, because I just think to see things like this still around. And I can remember these when I was about 18 or 19, and you didn't take a right lot of notice of them back then. You know, you just always thought they were going to be around forever, and they're not. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video clip. Whew. Again, NEC, it's bloody warm in here. See if I can find any more camper vans on my travels. Hope so. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like them. Please don't forget to press the thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.